Hi friends, I'm Ishrat. I'm learning English at British American Language Center. Thank you sir to give me a chance to speak in front of my friends. Today I will talk about what do I do on my holidays. On my holidays, I get up at 6:30 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I take breakfast. After taking breakfast, I take rest for 20 minutes. Then I sit for study at 8:30 a.m. Then I get up from study at 10:45 o'clock. Then I take shower. After taking shower, I take my lunch. After taking lunch, I offer salad. Then I sleep for 1 hour. After sleeping, I play for 1 or 2 hours. Then I go outside with my father and my mother. Then I travel many places and eat many things. Then we came back home at 8 or 9 o'clock. Then I take my dinner. After taking my dinner, I go to bed and sleep. That's all from me today. Thank you. Bye-bye.